How to tame cows in Hytale. So finally you can tame cows in new pre-release version. So every animal has its own favorite food. I'm gonna turn off my creative mode, and if you go to that cow or animal, you have to press F and it's gonna show you the favorite food of that animal. For cows, there is lettuce as the favorite food. All you need to do is to just grab the lettuce and press F to that cow, and now you tame it. Also, you can do it one more time. And now if you are holding that food, they will gonna follow you. If you stop holding it, they will just mind their own business, and you can pet them with pressing F. They are tame, they will sometimes say hello to you, they will gonna greet you, and that's how you can tame cows in Hytale. Make sure you have the latest version, and it's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.